everybody, welcome in my channel Multi Edu Hub, and I am Anamika, your educator. Today I tell an exclusive number of the maths, and this is pi. This is pi, but it is not high and pi, it is pi, the numbers of the math. How can you write pi? I can write pi in this way. And what's the values of the pi? In the fractions, its value is 22 by 7 and the decimal, its value is 3.14. We can apply this pi in different maths. Today I teach a very easy formula where we apply pi. And what is the formula? The formula is circumference of circle. What is the formula? Formula is 2 pi r. Before the mass, I tell one thing. In the circle, there is a diameter and the radius. So, what is the relationship between the radius and diameter? Diameter we represent by d. D equal to 2r. Means if you put the value of r and multiply by 2, you can get the value of diameter. But we can't apply the diameter directly in the mass. We need radius. So I can write radius equal to d by 2. First you clear all the doubts and then we start the math. Okay. So what is the relationship between diameter and radius? D equal to 2r, and we find the radius r equal to d by 2. Clear? Then we apply these two formula in our math. What's our math? Our mass is find the circumference of a circle whose diameter is 35 centimeter. Here there is no radius. First to find out the radius. R equal to d by 2 means 35 by 2. One more thing, don't calculate it. You just write the value and put this value on the formula. And what's the formula of circumference? Circumference of circle. What's the formula? 2 pi r. Put the value. 2 pi means 22 by 7. 22 by 7. And r means 35 by 2. Now you start to calculate. 22 into 5. 22 into 5, it means 110 centimeter. And it is not area, it is circumference. What is the meaning of circumference? First, one more time I tell you. Suppose you start from here. Circumference is a borderline of anything. So here the circumference of the circle means the borderline of the circle. You start from here. You go, come, then you come to the point. This way, full path is called the circumference. Clear? Hope it is clear for you, everybody. And then we come to the next problem. Wait. Come to the next math. Our racetrack is in the form of a ring whose inner circumference is 528 meter and the outer circumference is 616 meter. Find the width of the track. Look at this math. Here there is no radius, no diameter. Only they give the circumference. Means first when you do any mensuration math, first try to do the draw the picture. First I draw a pictures. Because when you draw a picture, it is very clear near you. Look, there is a ring like structure, there is a road and everything, racetrack. How first I wrote this one, the inner radius. Okay, and this is the outer radius. Outer radius. I want to find out this width. This width I want to find out. Width. So how can I do? First I find out the outer circle radius. And we know the circumference. So we just write let outer circle radius equal to r. Then 2 pi capital R equal to what's the value? 616. When you put the formula and write the value at that time, don't use any unit. At the end of the time, you use unit. So write 22 by 7 and then R equal to 616. What I tell in my all videos, when you shift any numbers on the opposite side of the equal at that time, sign change. It is compulsory. So how can I write? I write only R and write 616 into 1 by 2 into 7 by 22. Okay? You calculate it first. 98 centimeter the outer circle radius. Okay. Now I find out the inner circle. Inner circle radius like a smaller. So 2 pi smaller equal to what's the value? It is 528. 528. Now you just solve it. 22 by 7 into R equal to 5 to 8 into 1 by 2 into 7 by 22. You calculate it. Centimeter. I find the outer radius and inner radius. But what is our question? Our question is what is the width? So how can I write width? Width of the track. Width of the track. Capital R minus small r means 98 minus 84 centimeter. Now you minus and write the answer. Our answer is 14 meter. The width of the track is 14 meter. Okay? And this math is too much important in this chapter. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and wait for next maths or any other science video. Bye everybody.